Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech, back with a brand new video. Now in today's video guys, we're going to be talking about one of the companies that paid me around 2,000 euros for AI training. Now this company is actually recruiting and I had to make this video in case you guys are interested in joining this company, trying to work with this company, or you are looking for a job that you can do remotely from home. Then probably this is the perfect video for you. This company is called RWS and it is actually well established and legit. You can look it up yourself. You have jobs in data annotation, transcription, translation, those type of jobs, of course, that you guys know. And yeah, again, if you want to do some research about this company, then you can do so. And as you can see, we are on the homepage of this company and there is a lot of big brands. They vouch for this company. Got Uber Eats, Microchip, Canva, and a bunch of other companies. Again, you can do your own homework about this company, but I'll just give you a face value breakdown or review of this company because I've worked for this company for around 7 months now. Before we jump into the jobs that are offering right now, let me just show you some of the earnings that I've made with this company. So if we go to their invoicing platform, let's just go back to 2025. I just don't want to waste your time guys. So if we go to 2025, let me just reload this page. As you can see, we got paid 97 euros, 46, 200 euros, 200 euros. And if we go to 2026, again, you can see the pattern continues. We got paid 382, 90, 340. You got 50, 60, and the sum of all of these accumulates to around 1,600 euros. Okay, these are just some of the invoices that I got paid by this company, and they pay on a monthly basis. As for the work that I was doing with this company, I was just first and foremost doing miscellaneous AI tasks, data annotation, labeling, but then I transitioned from that to localization and transcription translation jobs. So from I guess January to now, I was doing those tasks, but before that I was doing AI data annotation tasks. Okay, but these are just again some receipts and proof that this company is legit and it pays. Now, if you want to actually join this company, all you need to do is go to LinkedIn and just look up RWS Group and you will find this company. So there's like two methods of actually seeing the jobs, the vacancies they offer. This is one of them. So look it up on your LinkedIn, then head to the jobs section. Then once you are here, click on show all jobs available and you will see most of the jobs they are listing right here. So you got Brazilian Portuguese, literal linguistics, subject matter. So these are for Brazilian natives, I guess. So you cannot join these. Again, look for the job that suits you best, and if you are within that region, then please go ahead and apply for that position as well. They have some strict rules when it comes to applying into like different positions. So for example, if you speak Vietnamese but if you are not from Vietnam, then you cannot apply for this position. You need to actually be staying and localized in that same country or that same region for you to get accepted. So if you are not within that region, then probably you cannot qualify. Okay, so definitely make sure that you are within that region and you speak that language, or you are qualified for that role. So you got multiple of other services right here. You got AI Dubber, Spanish, Vietnamese. You got games, puzzles, also for the Brazilian market, I guess. Brazilian. Yeah, most of them are just Brazilian right here, but the one that I just need to point out is not in here. So what you can do is just look up RWS on your Google, okay, and or I probably will link it in the description down below. You will head to this link in the jobslever.com, which is their job board. When they usually post anything, it will be here, and you got the futures, opportunities, and their talent pool. This is what you need to sign up for. So you can look up more roles in here. As you can see, there are more roles that are not listed in LinkedIn. So you got multiple data specialist roles opened for multiple languages, for multiple countries. So feel free to choose which one that suits you, and you can join with them right away. So you'll just be taking a test real quick, and you will just get to work with RWS in no time, maybe in the span of 1 week, and you should be good to go. Again, they have a lot of data specialist roles that you can join, which are not listed in LinkedIn. Okay, and there's like the Brazilian ones that we just saw on LinkedIn as well. So feel free to browse the jobs that are listed in here. But if you cannot qualify or find anything that suits you, what you can do is just go to the talent pool or future opportunities and click on it. And you need to actually sign up for this one as well. So you need to upload your CV, fill in this form, okay? And once you do this, they will have your data stored in their database. And if there's like any matching project that occurs, they will be the first one to contact you. And they actually do that a lot. I've been contacted for 2 projects right now, and I can confirm that if you do upload and join their talent pool, they will come forward and reach out to you. So make sure to actually fill in this form, and yeah, that's it. That's all you need to do with RWS. If you join and qualify, then let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, this is it. Alrighty guys, this was just a quick video about RWS and the jobs they are offering right now. So we got those AI data specialists for like multiple regions. You can go ahead and sign up for those. If you cannot find any project that suits you, be sure to join their talent pool as well, because they will definitely contact you. And I've showed you some of the payments, some of the invoices that I got sent. So this company is legit. So if you are interested in seeing more videos of making money videos and how to actually start working with AI labs and how to score jobs online, then leave a comment in the description down below if you got in with RWS or if you are interested in those videos. And also make sure to tune in by subscribing to the channel. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.